How to create Worldpay merchant account. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. Now to begin with, open up a browser and search for dashboard.worldpay.com. Over here as a merchant, if you wish to create an account or log in, scroll down and tap on Contact Our Payment Experts. Those will help you which account would be more beneficial and profitable for you and your business. Now starting off, you can select on how they can help. Then you can fill out the first name, last name, company name, email address, phone number, job title, country, and some of the comments that you wish to share or something that you want to know regarding your merchant account. Just tap on this tiny box and click on the submit button. If you wish to, you can also call with the salesperson in the designated calling ID. In the case of UK, you can call on the respective number and similarly for the US. After which, you can ask them regarding the creation for your merchant account. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.